we're at the first spot of the lightning get together, and brought a whole bunch of trucks with us. Try to get some pictures. We got some drone footage happening right now, and get everybody together, and we're gonna go to the second spot and grab some lunch after that. This is the view from the top of Canyon Lake Dam. It is pretty out here, that's for sure. And we've got the trucks parked up down there. I was hoping to get a cool shot from up here of all the trucks. Somebody had some electrical issues, and we got that figured out. It's a loose wire for the alarm that killed the whole truck while driving, which is great. But I think we got him up and running, but he's got other stuff he's got to deal with too. But we're gonna head off and go grab some lunch.
Turn right onto Farm to Market Road 306.
Sure is a pretty road. shout out to the lightning guys again. We had a couple guys that had issues, and we had several people that stepped up to help, and I love that aspect of the lightning community, that everybody takes care of each other, and you know, we're like brothers, and it's good stuff to see people, you know, just quality human beings taking care of each other, and had a good day. So ran it back to the house. Sorry I did not get nearly enough footage recorded today, but just enjoyed the day with my group of guys, and yeah, man, look forward to the next one. Hopefully gas won't be four something dollars a gallon, almost $5 a gallon for the premium guys, and I mean, even E85 was 4 something when I left the house. So, and yeah, I will catch you on the next one. With sitting in stop and go traffic on a 90-degree day with the just crawling speeds, and my cooling fans are only on the low fan speed setting. All that, and my transmission temperature is still under 180, and my coolant temp is still well under 210. It's about 205 or so, maybe 202. So we're in really good shape on both of those. Got plenty of cooling capacity, and that's again with low speed fan settings, so it could be even more capacity to shed heat if I wired up the high side fans.